Hey, this is dedicated to my sister Kimon. Come on. I'm going to eat this mango and I'll let you know, okay? Stay tuned. Don't.
Dribbler.
Oh, me need a dribbler? She said me need a dribbler. All right, dribbler it is. All right. Let's go. Yeah, so nice. Come on. This one's dedicated to my baby sister. When I bite, you close your eyes and think about it.
Pull up.
You want to pull up? Repeat. This one's dedicated to my baby sister. When I bite, you close your eyes and think about it. Wee. Julie mango. Now the comedian I'm watch the real mango. Wee. Lord. Me serious enough say if God it us open and see somewhere and take all of the bad people. Jamaica nice enough. Alright, I'm gonna eat my mango in peace now. Come on. This is dedicated to you, my sister.